Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I got my Ipsy bag. So let's get right on into it and see what I got this month. I did see spoilers and I kind of remember what I got. So let's get in here. Alrighty. Here's the bag. It's kind of cute with a little Masquerade mask on there. It's a cute one. But am I going to keep this one? I don't know yet. Maybe. Maybe. Not bad. Alright, let's see what's in here. Who said nights were for sleeping? Okay, it's just... There we go. Alright, I'm just going to show you as I come to them. Alright, we got a blackhead removal mask. A peel-off mask. We got one in BoxyCharm that I definitely have an opinion of, and I actually did a little video, and it will be coming up soon. You can see my opinion. So, okay. It may look gross, but it's super satisfying. We will try this. I will try this and see what I think. Therefore, because I got that one in BoxyCharm, I'm not excited about that one. I have to say, peel-off masks are my least favorite. What's in here? This one's in wrapped up, a little extra special. Alright, it's a lip. Manna lip. This is what it looks like, by the way. It's like a crayon. Ooh, let me find the spot. There we go. Manna Beauty Simplified Lip Locked Step 3 Priming Lip Wand Amore. Is this a primer? Is this a lip? That's the color. No smell. Doesn't smell like anything. So maybe it's a lip color with some primer in it. I have to tell you right now, my first impression is I don't know how that's going to look on me. It's a little warmer than I like in a lip color. It's sheer though. I will try it out. So we'll see. So far I'm like, okay. Next, what's this? Nomad Stockholm. Nordic Lights Intense Eyeshadow. Okay, it's an eyeshadow. The only Nomad stuff I've tried has been in BoxyCharm. And again, it's a teeny tiny. They're known for that. I'm okay with that. Whoa. That is a blue. That is blue. Let's... Oh, it is extremely creamy. That's a pretty navy blue. I don't really think I have a navy blue eyeshadow. So I'm okay with that. I might actually use that one. I normally don't use single shadows. I'm getting so picky as I get older and as I accumulate more stuff. But that's a nice color. I'll hang on to that. I will try that out in a look. Next, what is this? Ha! I got a Tarte Shape Tape. A baby one in medium. Medium is too dark for me. I already know that. I already know that. I don't want to swatch it because I have a medium. I have it in my drawer. I have to mix it with the light. So I guess I'll throw that in a giveaway because I can't use it. I'll give it away to somebody. And then I was excited. Man, I knew I was getting a little Shape Tape, but it's medium. Okay, this is, who is this? Space Case Cosmetics. Never heard of Space Case Cosmetics. Cosmic Gangster Blush. Do I look like a cosmic gangster? Let's see what this looks like. Oh, now this is very pretty. That's a very pretty shade, and it does look like something I would wear. And that's a pretty nice size for Ipsy. Oh, it's creamy. It's creamy. It's a creamy blush. I like this. It's very lightweight. Wow, it looks pretty light on my hand. I don't know how you guys can see that. I think you can't, and then when I edit, you can. I don't really. Let me tone it down a little. I see. I don't think there. Maybe if I turn my hand that way, it looks lighter pink. On my hand than it looks in the container. I don't know, that might be too light for me. I'll try it out. So far, I am not at all excited about this Ipsy bag. I can't wait to get on the off the wait list so I can get the bigger bag. I am so jealous, Lisa. I'm so jealous. But gosh, I like the blue shadow. I like the blue shadow. Everything else, I love Tarte Shape Tape. Don't get me wrong. Love Shape Tape. I just know medium is too dark. I need light medium. So, I'm not really happy with my... I'm not happy with my Ipsy. Not at all. I thought I would like the blush. I'm still going to try the blush. But the more I look at it on my hand, I have a little darker skin tone. I think that's just going to be too light for my skin. It's not good enough to be a highlighter. It's not highlighty at all. It's pink. So I couldn't use it as a highlighter, and I think it's too light for a blush for me. Eyeshadow, spot on. This lip thing, it's very sheer. It's not really exciting, and I don't think that color is going to look good on me. And I am not at all excited in another peel-off mask. I'm just... Oh, what a month. No, this, I don't... I'm going to throw this card away. I don't need it. I'm not excited. I will review them. All my subscription boxes and bags. This is the last one. So I will try the items and use them. I have Ipsy. I have BoxyCharm. I have Walmart. And I have Target. So I have 4 to try this month. Yeah. I don't think this is my month for Ipsy. So thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope at least you found it some way educational. I don't know. Anyway, if you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments? Leave them down below. What do you think of this month's Ipsy? What did you get? Are you excited about it? Is it... Just let me know. And I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.